my understanding for Surah al Aadiat is right. It resembles some of how our Jamaat preaches and presents the arguments, the first few verses. And does the position of this Surah al Aadiat being between al-Zalzala and al-Qari'ah have any significance?
Well, I think so. I generally agree with you in European positions. Next. Only 10 minutes left. If I start taking this up, it will last much longer, you know. So I think a general agreement with you is quite sufficient. What you say by the expression بصفة عامة,
in general.
In general.
But nothing.
In Urdu we say bil-umum.
I see.
See? So I thought that was the same expression used in Arabic, but it's not.
It is, Hazur. Umuman.
Amuman, yes, that's right. In Urdu we say amuman as well. Bil-umum or amuman. Bisifatin amma can be said also amuman, as a movement, right? Good. Please.